Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and press your notifications on so you can get that every time I post. And if you want to know how I got this low puff, just keep watching. So first thing I'm going to do is just make my part. You could either do a middle part or a side part, but I do prefer the side part. So you just want to go through and make sure that that's pretty much as neat as you can get it. And I'm going to go in with some EcoStyler Gold and just put that basically where my part is. So all around the perimeter of the part that I made, I will be applying the gel. And because my hair was already moisturized, I didn't add anything else to it. And then I'm just going to go in with my brush and gently brush the hair downwards from the part. You just basically want to make sure you're holding the hair at the same time that you're brushing it. And my hands are purple because I still do have the purple in from the last video. So this is about a 4-day-old wash and go now. And from here, I'm going to take my elastic band and I'm actually going to tie it in the back and bring it right back to the front while pulling it a little further back to make it more comfortable for me. And so in total, I tied it 3 times. And I'm going to take a bobby pin and just place it in the middle of the tie. And y'all know I can't live without my hair pick, so we're gonna pick my hair out just a little bit to make the low puff give the illusion that it is bigger. And now I'm going to use my favorite edge control, which is the Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Slay Edge Gel. And I'm just going to swoop my edges gently. I'm not brushing too hard. I just want it enough so it can look a little bit cleaner than it is now. And I also do the sides as well and just make a little cute curly. That is optional, but I just prefer to do it. And I'm gonna go through and just fluff it out a little bit more where it looks a little bit flat. And after that shape is done, I'm going to tie my satin scarf around my hair where the gel and the edge control are applied. Once this is tied, I'm gonna leave it on for 5 minutes. And now that it's been 5 minutes, I can take off the satin scarf. And then that is really all there is to it. You have a cute low puff. Let me know if you like this video. Make sure you actually like it, comment, subscribe, do all of that, and stay tuned because like I said in my last video, I will be uploading every single Friday. And I also wanted to show the necklace that I got. And if you can't see it, I will zoom in a little bit more. but it says Fro Babe for my YouTube channel, and I actually got it from Etsy from this company called JWL Gang, and their necklaces are beautiful and great quality, so definitely check them out. And I'll also put the details from my Blacknificent shirt in the description box too. And I hope you all enjoyed this video, and as always, peace and love until next time. Bye guys.